Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm gonna be making spicy fried pork cutlets. Stay tuned if you want to see what I go on. My pork lovers, look at this. Ain't it beautiful? This is a nice, clean, lean piece of pork. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the skin. Well, this part is optional. If you like your skin, well, you can leave it on. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. All of it, just cut all the way around till it's all gone. Get rid of that because who needs that? There's a lot of calories. I know I'm gonna be frying this, but hey, get rid of most of the fat as you can. Just slice down through there so it'll be manageable to cut them in small pieces. Little tiny bites. Remove the bone. I'm going to be removing the little pieces of fat in between. I think that's called marbling. I'm going to get rid of most of the fat. Now I'm all done and I'm satisfied with my pieces. I'm going to go ahead and rinse them with some water and vinegar. I'm going to rinse this about twice. First with the water and vinegar, then a second rinse with plain water. You can use lime juice and water to rinse your meat as well. If you don't have vinegar, really doesn't matter. Both work really well. You want to pat dry your pork. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. Guys, you can add whatever seasoning you like. I'm going to get up in there, get everything nice and merry. Deep tissue massage here, guys. Then I'm going to cover this and let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours. At least 3 to 4 hours overnight for best result. I'm going to go ahead and prepare a coating here because trust me, we're going to deep fry this. You need to coat it. Get it nice and crispy. Got some flour there, cornstarch for extra crisp. And we're going in with some flavor. You need your seasoning of this. You want to give this a good mix. Make sure everything is fully blended. Here I have my pork that's been marinating for a good couple hours. The seasoning will set in, guys. Trust me. Especially that blended seasoning. I will be sharing my recipe with you guys soon on that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dip them in my flour. Make sure they're fully coated. And you want to get rid of the excess flour. Just shake it, shake, shake. Get rid of all the excess flour. And you are good to go. At this point, make sure you have your oil on the stove and it's hot and ready for the road. You don't want it to reach smoke point. You want to have it on medium heat. You don't want this thing to burn on the inside raw. It will look cooked on the outside, but the inside will be raw. So you don't want to rush this. Take your time. My oil is nice and hot. It's on medium heat. And I'm going to go in with as much as possible. And I'm deep frying these. Just going to let these bad boys sit there. Just push them around. Check on them occasionally. You don't have to cover the pot. They are almost ready, guys. Look at that. Me tell you, they smell nice. Just gonna keep going until they're nice and golden brown. Look at that. Just like that, you know. The hardest part is the preparation. Then I'm gonna let them sit on some absorbent paper. And now look, I have some sweet chili sauce that I'm gonna sprinkle over them. They're all done. They are ready to eat. They're delicious. Trust me, I was frying and eating and frying. I do hope y'all enjoy this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Stay safe and keep out of trouble. See you in the next video.